Okay, hello everybody. Boom corridor thinning. Why this topic? In Finland, we have around 1 million hectares unmanaged young forests waiting rapidly to do something, thinning. And why is that? The price is low, and forest owners, they have, for that reason, they have low motivation to sell this forest. But I concentrate now the contractors, because the work is really not easy for them, and they are working accord. They are getting their salary when the trees are at the roadside storage, and that's it's not really easy then. This working method, it has been developed around more than 10 years now, and the starting point was Dan's doctoral thesis, and the idea is there that could it be possible to ease the work if we have kind of working method that takes account this boom movement, so that, because in the traditional thinning, the boom and head must be, it must move there. It's not so easy to move between the trees, and also there's risk for damages. And the picture below shows a little bit that, and I will highlight later really the word selective boom corridor thinning, and the picture below on the left side you see the corridors, how the operator has adapted that in the forest. This is now one case project development project, and the results are what I show you. They are kind of measuring tools that we can compare this when the work was going on, that does it make any sense? Are we getting what we are aiming? So this is really was developing, not just monitoring research. And the block then about the arrangements, block 2, it was block 1, it was pre-cleared on the left side. That block 1, it was pre-cleared, and block 2 was not. Block 2 and the blocks from 3 to 7, they were not pre-cleared at all. And block 1 and 2, this was at the picture below, left side, you can see it was planted birch about 25 years, age of 25 years, and when it was harvested, there was harvested integrated pulpwood and energy wood at the same time. So the log bunches were nicely, there was pulpwood bunch and energy wood bunch beside it. And then the smaller stand, it was totally energy wood harvesting, and we had in total 30 plots there, and treatments were this traditional selective thinning and 2 kind of boom corridor thinning treatments. They are, I explain them in the next slides then. And we measured the harvester work productivity, forwarding productivity, and also these stem damages. Then a little bit about the results. Now I ask you to look the box plot picture of block 1 and 2. Block 1 was time goes then. So the productivity was here higher, about 10%, and it's because this faster boom walk, the work phase is boom out felling processing. then blocks 3 to 7, it was energy wood whole tree harvesting. The difference advantage was about 70%, and the reason was same, though the boom work was more effective in boom corridor thinning, and forwarding there was no difference, but in the loading for work phase, when you look there, the time of boom corridor thinning, then when the loads are bigger, it seems that it goes a little bit faster, but nothing significant. But when we look the picture on the left side, where is this selective thinning after harvesting, we can see how nicely the bunches are there. They are lying all in the corridors. They are big, and it can be imagined that when we would make a study more again, and or in actual work, that the loading must be better to do there. Then for the future, then this thinning model, we should have kind of thinning model there, so that when we know before what is the stand density, then we should plan the corridor system so that it follows the stand density before cutting. And when we have bigger forest, then the corridors can be wider and not so dense. But now we are in Finland. We are in this stage, and now this stage that when we do it without pre-clearing, we save the cost there. That's the important thing. And on average in Finland, this pre-clearing cost is around 400 euros, but these numbers are what we have. We made the time study also for motor manual pre-clearing. And for the future, it would be important to get this also in the forest management instructions if we want to that really it goes to the practice. They are the most important thing now. And here's my adjutant in the field work, Niilo, 5 years old. Actually, we discussed with him that he knows the plots better than I. He could make this presentation, but only thing that he has no passport. Then we decided that I will come here. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Yrjö. Thank you.